Now, Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Jim Teske with Central New York's most accurate forecast.
We are looking back at the numbers. Beautiful day, top 10 day. Feel like we've said that, a number of times this summer, 6 or 7 at least. So I guess we're near our allotment of top 10 days. 80 the high, right where we should be after a very cool 51 this morning. But still, that was well off the record low of 42. No rainfall today in Syracuse. We're more than an inch and a half below normal for the month of August. Okay, let's check out those temperatures. Let's see what we got here. 65 in Syracuse. A lot of 50s in outlying areas. 54 being reported at the airport in Hamilton. But Ron, our weather watcher, checks in at 51 degrees. Let's see if that's the coolest spot that we can find. Well, it's right now. Morrisville's tied with them at 51. You can see it's 56 in Redfield. Got mid-50s back to the west toward Waterloo. 53 in Cincinnatus. I think most areas will be at least a few degrees warmer than last night. For example, Syracuse 56. But given the temperatures that we're seeing in southern Madison County, there are going to be some spots in the normally cool areas that'll probably end up in the upper 40s. Watertown checks in at 60, though, 55 in Lowville. Here's the setup as we go into the weekend. High pressure, that's controlled our weather today, but it's moving off to the east. There's some moisture creeping north through the mid-Atlantic. Some of that sneaks in here tomorrow, and then this frontal system's approaching from the west with some showers and storms. That has a bigger impact on our weather, I think, tomorrow night and into Sunday. So here's your timecast. The rest of the overnight, pretty quiet. Some low clouds, some fog tries to develop, especially south of Syracuse. But other than that, it's a generally sunny start to the day. I think there will be a mix of sun and clouds here by midday. The wind picking up a little bit out of the south. During the afternoon, let's focus in on a couple of areas. First off, there might be 1 or 2 showers very late in the afternoon that try to pop up just north of Syracuse. Meanwhile, back to the west, watching showers and storms over western New York. They're going to be working their way to the east, but again, the bulk of that activity doesn't get in till tomorrow night. So if you're out on the waters, the rain chances are low on Lake Ontario during the day. Waves probably less than 2 feet. The wind out of the south-southeast picking up a bit during the afternoon. Taking a look at the timecast tomorrow night. We've got that front coming through with showers and storms, and really key in on Sunday and notice the lack of widespread precipitation and even some sunshine. So there's going to be some long rain-free periods. Behind that trough of low pressure, much cooler air coming in for next week. Humidity comes up this weekend, so we're in the 60s as opposed to the 40s and low 50s that we saw today. Planning forecast still fairly mild over the weekend. 79 here on Sunday, but then much cooler, low to mid 70s. It looks like on Monday, and over higher elevations, maybe a struggle to get to 70. Showers into Tuesday, still dry here on Wednesday for the start of the fair.
Syracuse football is back, and so is Orange Nation. Join us as we preview Fran Brown's 3rd year at the helm as he and the Orange look to bounce back from last season. Orange Nation, August 31st at 7 on News Channel 9 and WSYR+.